What's the healthiest kind of juice? Cold-pressed juice, of course. Among generic juicer machines on the market, the SiFENE slow masticating juicer machine outshines others. Well, if you're intrigued to see how it works and what you can make with it, stick to us as we review this masticating juicer. Let's get started. The SiFENE slow masticating juicer machine proves that juicing doesn't need to be complicated. Yes, it's that easy to work with. This juicer is so innovative and compact that you'll be impressed in no time. Plus, you'll love how fast it works to make healthy juice with fresh fruits and veggies of your choice. First of all, this masticating juicer boasts sleek and stylish aesthetics. Like, it's no less than style statement for your kitchen countertop. Then, you'll see how space-saving it is with a compact build compared to its larger counterparts. You'll notice it comes with quite a few accessories after unboxing. As the accessories come individually, you need to assemble them first. It has a dual feed chute to ensure it puts juice and pulp into two different containers. Then you have a detachable hopper grinder, a lever, an auger, a strainer, and a pulp holder. Additionally, you get a pusher to push the fruits and veggies through its chute and a cleaning brush to clean the pulps. You also get an instruction manual and a recipe book with tasty juice recipes. When you've fully assembled this juicer, let's show you a demonstration of how you can put it to use. We brought a bunch of ingredients to put it to the test and witness how it performed. We started with spinach, green apples, kiwi, and cucumber that we cut into quarters. We intended to make a refreshing green juice and just look at the result. See how its auger chewed up the fruits and greens, created juice, and squeezed out the pulps in the little curls. We kept pushing the ingredients with a pusher for faster results. Next, we tried juicing the carrots, pineapples, and oranges, followed by pomegranate, dragon fruit, and beetroot. Just look at the color of the juice, so vibrant and pure. After taking a sip, you'll find how refreshing and tasty the juice turns out. Overall, the SiFENE slow masticating juicer machine exceeded our expectations with juicing performance. Starting from the simple aesthetics to outstanding capabilities, it will captivate you every time you try a new juice recipe. So that was our review of the SiFENE slow masticating juicer machine. Thanks for watching our video.